So we have a Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher, and today we're going to give you a little tip on one thing to check for if your dishwasher is not getting water. So we're going to open it up and pull this out. So here we have the overfill float, and where ours can't even come out. If it's not in the correct position, which is down, it will cause the water to stop flowing. So that is one thing that you can check to make sure that it's in the correct position and that nothing is obstructing it. This dishwasher float valve helps to tell your dishwasher how much water is needed so that it won't fill up with too much water. So if it isn't working right, it could tell your dishwasher not to fill up at all when it actually needs the water. Again, you just want to check that this float valve is sitting in the right position, that it's not too high or stuck, so that way it will tell the dishwasher to fill with water. Your float valve should move up and down freely without anything getting in the way. And once you fix that, try running your dishwasher again to see if that solved the issue. Just one quick thing to check. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe. Have a great day.